Embedded questions. Unlocking the power of inquisitiveness. Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of embedded questions. You might be wondering, what are embedded questions? Well, fret not. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to form and use embedded questions in your conversations. So, let's get started. Embedded questions are a unique type of question that are embedded within another sentence. They allow us to seek information or clarify something in a more indirect manner. Unlike direct questions, embedded questions are part of a larger sentence or statement, and they usually don't end with a question mark. For example, direct question, where did you go? Embedded question, can you tell me where you went? In the embedded question, can you tell me, acts as the main sentence, while where you went functions as the embedded question. Now that we understand the concept of embedded questions, let's learn how to form them correctly. The structure of an embedded question depends on whether the embedded question is a WH question or a yes/no question. Forming WH embedded questions. To form a WH embedded question, we follow this structure. Reporting verb plus WH word plus subject plus verb. Here's an example. Direct question. What time does the movie start? Embedded question. I wonder what time the movie starts. In this example, the reporting verb is I wonder, followed by the WH word, what, the subject, the movie, and the verb starts. Forming yes/no embedded questions. Forming a yes/no embedded question is slightly different. The structure is as follows. Reporting verb plus if, whether, plus subject, plus verb. Let's see an example. Direct question. Did he call you? Embedded question. She asked if he called you. In this example, the reporting verb is she asked, followed by if, or whether, the subject, he, and the verb, called. Embedded questions can be used in various situations to express curiosity, seek clarification, or engage in more polite conversation. Here are a few common scenarios where embedded questions are frequently used. Reporting questions. Embedded questions are commonly used when reporting someone else's question. Instead of directly quoting the question, we use an embedded question to report it indirectly. For instance, direct question. Where is the nearest supermarket? Embedded question. He asked where the nearest supermarket is. In this example, the embedded question helps us report the original question while maintaining the structure of an indirect statement. Polite requests. Embedded questions can also be used to make polite requests or suggestions in a more subtle manner. By embedding the request within a statement, we can be more tactful and considerate. For example, direct request, can you lend me your pen? Embedded question, I was wondering if you could lend me your pen. The embedded question in this case softens the request and makes it sound more polite. Congratulations! You've made it through our journey into the realm of embedded questions. Now you possess a valuable tool to enhance your conversational English skills. Remember to practice forming embedded questions, and soon enough, you'll be using